make sure you grab your ticket. You still have a few days to do so. And Jackie says every time she's going to buy a ticket, and she never has.
I know. Can someone remind me? I feel like it's every time where they're doing the drawing, I'm like, man, I forgot to get my ticket again.
And because we're here so early and talk about it, then we go home and nap, and I'm like, I don't want to leave the house now.
Yeah, no.
Especially if it's kind of gloomy out, you never want to leave during that.
Yeah, and I mean, it's gloomy out there this morning. Not ideal to head out and buy your Powerball ticket just yet. But I mean, tomorrow's forecast is looking a little bit nicer out there. So maybe I'll see any of you guys out there waiting in line for that Powerball ticket tomorrow. Satellite and radar out there this morning. That cold front continuing to push its way off towards our east. That did bring us those rain showers overnight into early this morning, mainly along and east of I-95. Still could be some patchy drizzle or even some of that fog too this morning. Although most of that steady rain has since exited off towards our east. A few of those pop-up showers, we've been seeing that over towards Loudoun County, at least earlier this morning too. Visibility still reduced for some. We're down about 3 miles in Frederick, 6 in Hagerstown, down about 5 in Manassas. We are lower in terms of visibility down towards Fredericksburg, down to 2 miles there, just 9 miles in DC, while we're seeing 7 miles visibility in Annapolis. Those winds are picking up behind that cold front. Those winds mainly out of the north and west, 5 to 15 mile per hour sustained winds. A few gusts are running closer towards 30 miles per hour. We're seeing that down towards Culpeper and Orange and across northernmost parts of Fauquier County. At least a 25 mile per hour gust in Leesburg and Manassas. Not too bad in DC just yet. We will be tracking though those winds picking up as we look ahead towards tomorrow. Temperatures out there right now, those are starting off in the 40s for most. We are at 50 in DC and Lexington Park, although we are seeing that breeze and the cloud cover out there right now. Futurecast shows us that most of that rain will continue to exit through the latter half in the morning. There could be that spot sprinkle chance through about middle of the afternoon, especially across southern Maryland. Aside from that, I think we do really dry things out. However, the clouds will linger for the eastern half of our viewing area through much of the day today. It's back out towards the west. The best chance that we do break out in that sunshine through the day today. As we look ahead towards later on tonight, those temperatures will drop as we'll see those mainly clear skies. Temperatures dropping back in those 30s. And then we do see these clouds approaching from the west that could pop up a few snow showers back over towards Garrett County, western Maryland, those higher elevations. Aside from that, we are looking dry out there for your Friday. And not only that, we'll see a mix of sun and clouds, high temperatures near 60 for the end of the week. But like I mentioned, that wind will pick up mainly out of the north and west for your Friday afternoon. And we're likely seeing those gusts in excess of 35 miles per hour. As we look ahead towards Saturday, we have this next system that we're watching diving in from the Midwest. That could bring us some scattered showers, or I should say isolated shower threat into your Saturday afternoon. Then that front and that system weakens but stalls just down towards our south. And again, we could see that chance for a spot shower later in the day on Easter, but I'm thinking most of our Sunday will be dry. But today versus tomorrow, though, to round out the work week, today we're looking at those high temperatures, low to mid 50s with those showers mainly east and mainly dry back out towards the west. I think those showers, though, are starting to really wind down at this point. Talking about those lower 60s out there for tomorrow, will be drier and breezy as we get towards your holiday weekend. We're looking at those temperatures, at least a warming trend. Low 60s out there for Saturday, mid-upper 60s on Sunday. Now a look at that 8-day forecast for the 8 o'clock hour. We're right around 60 on Monday. That is Nat's opening day, and we're looking at some scattered showers. So we'll continue to monitor that as we get closer. Low 60s, still some scattered showers on Tuesday. A few showers possible Wednesday. Should be dry next Thursday. Shanika, what are you tracking on the roadways?
Oh.